Hello everyone, welcome to Amazing Account. Today we will do cost centers and cost category. To understand it, let us take one example. Advertisement expense. Advertisement expense, under this many category come like local advertisement, public advertisement, newspaper advertisement. So it is a cost category. Advertisement expense is a cost center and all these are cost category. So let's do in Tally. Go on desktop, there is icon Tally, open it. I have already opened. You can see my company name is cost centers and cost category. Duration period 1 April 21 to 22. Let's go in accounting features. You have to press F11 then F1 to allocate cost centers and cost category. There you have to press yes and there also yes. After then enter it and save it. Now we will go in accounts info. There we will get cost category and cost center. We will add cost category, advertisement expense and save it. Another one I am adding rent expense and save it. Now I will make cost center. I am creating advertisement expense under this local expense. So local advertisement I am adding under this advertisement expense. Another one is TV ad and another one is paper advertisement. Save it. Now I am taking rent expense. So under this I am adding house rent and another one is shop rent. Save it and go down rent also I am taking and save it. Let's go for an entry. Go in accounting voucher and press F5. Now I am making new ledger creation, advertisement expense, which is under in indirect expense. Here you have to apply cost centers are applicable, so you have to press yes. After then save it. You have to fill amount which one is under advertisement expense. You already done. Now we have to add here advertisement, paper advertisement, rupees and TV advertisement, and after then save it. Now you can see advertisement expense under this paper advertisement, TV advertisement are these category are mentioned here. Now after then save it. Before save it you have to put narration being advertisement expense rupees as on dated. After then save it. Now I am making another one is rent ledger, rent expense, indirect expense. Now you have to apply yes, cost centers are applicable yes. After then save it. Rent like amount you have write here, you have to write here rent expense, and rent expense you will select from there. You already create in cost centers and cost category. So I will take house rent, shop rent and go down rent. After then save it and cash rupees 25,000. You can see here rent expense and under this category house rent, shop rent and go down rent. Before save it you have to apply put narration being rent expense rupees 25,000 and save it. Enter it and save it. So finally we have done cost category and cost center. Now go to display. After then statement of accounts to checking our reports, cost centers, and there is cost category summary. You can see our cost category summary, advertisement expense. Under this you can see here report, cost category report. So now we will quit. Thanks for watching.